Hey, pet lovers and aspiring entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting for you, an in-depth guide on dropshipping pet products for affiliate marketing. Whether you are a seasoned marketer or a pet enthusiast looking to monetize your passion, this video is tailored just for you. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Understanding the pet market. Before we jump into the world of dropshipping and affiliate marketing, it's crucial to understand the dynamics of the pet market. From the latest trends to consumer behavior, we'll equip you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions. Number 2. Selecting profitable pet products. Now that we have a solid foundation, let's talk products. We'll guide you through the process of selecting the most profitable pet products for dropshipping. From trendy toys to essential pet care items, we've got you covered. Number 3. Exploring affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing is a game changer when it comes to monetizing your pet-related business. In this section, we'll explore some of the most lucrative affiliate programs in the pet niche. Get ready to turn your love for pets into a steady stream of passive income. Number 4. Marketing strategies for pet businesses. Marketing is the key to success in any business. We'll unravel proven strategies to market your dropshipping pet products effectively. From social media tactics to content creation, we've got the tools to elevate your pet business to new heights. Congratulations! You've just completed our guide to dropshipping pet products for affiliate marketing. Armed with this knowledge, you're well on your way to creating a thriving pet business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more content. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and until next time, happy pet entrepreneuring.